Hi, I'm Richard. Installing a trailer hitch on your Hyundai Tucson can take you to some really fun places like camping and biking. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer almost anywhere in North America. Let's break down this simple install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. The first step in this installation is to remove this rear trim panel. We're going to remove 4 push pins and 3 14mm screws. For the first step, you will need a flathead screwdriver or a pry removal tool, and you'll also need a 14mm socket. The panel we just removed will not be reinstalled after you install the hitch. The next step in this installation is to lower the exhaust. On this installation, we're going to remove this right hanger. We're going to use exhaust pliers. The next step in the installation is to line the hitch up with the frame. To do that today, I'm going to use the U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have access to the jack, you're going to need a second pair of hands as the hitch can be heavy. Your next step is to install the hardware. On each side there will be 3 bolts with conical washers that you hand tighten into the hitch. Repeat this step on the passenger side. The next step in the installation will be to torque the bolts to the manufacturer's specification. You'll need a 17mm socket and a torque wrench. The forwardmost bolt is close to a plastic trim panel. If you can't get your bolt torqued, you'll need to take that panel out to do it. The final step in this installation will be to rehang the exhaust. With our hitch installed, we have pulled our vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 5 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver is 14.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. That wraps up the hitch installation on this Hyundai Tucson. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.